Hey guys, Chad here with Pure Media Systems. As you can see, Yogi Bear has decided to join us on today's unboxing. We're going to be doing the SVS SoundPath Subwoofer isolation system. These are rubber feet which are designed to uncouple subwoofers from the ground so that you don't get as much vibration in the rest of the room, and it makes the bass more tactile. You actually feel it and hear it rather than hearing your glasses rattle in the other room. Inside of this box here, this is the 4-pack. There comes in a 4 or 6-pack. Inside of this box, we've got our manual and information. We also have 4 individually packaged feet, and we have several packages of screws and hardware. These are designed to just screw right into all of SVS's subwoofers. They can be used with any subwoofer, basically. Whether it's Klipsch or Polk or anybody else. If they don't have threaded studs in the bottom of them, you can actually let me know when you want to order some, and I can have SVS include 3M double sticky, which actually is very effective. I've used them on old Klipsch subwoofers that just use screws to put them in instead of having to screw into the casing or the enclosure again. We just use the 3M right into it. So I'm going to bring a little bit of a close-up here so you can see everything. So we've got the SoundPath isolation manual. We've got the hardware. It comes in various different size screws. We're going to be using it to put into our SB16 Ultra right here in black ash. Each piece has the feet. It's actually got some heft to it, pretty weighted. So they are heavy rubber feet here with metal base. In the next video, we're going to show you how to install them and get all that set up and give you a demonstration. If you're wanting to order any SoundPath isolation feet from SVS or SVS subwoofers, Klipsch speakers, any other products, please contact us at 972-905-0556 or email sales@puremediasystems.com. We can ship nationwide. We're authorized dealers for pretty much everybody. That means that it's like buying directly from the manufacturers. You have full manufacturer's warranty, just like with anything else if you went to any other store. So please help support your local businesses and contact us again at 972-905-0556. This is, again, I'm Chad with Pure Media Systems, and this is Yogi Bear. Have a great day.